Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this little tutorial I'm just going to show you how I done a loose ponytail messy upstyle on Hannah. So I started off Hannah's hair by prepping it with the GHD curl hold spray. Sprayed this quite liberally through her hair, and this is brilliant for giving curls a real good hold and the crimp a real good grip. Here I'm taking sections that are about ½ an inch thick. I alternated each section, like each layer of section, so I crimped one layer and curled the ends. The next layer I curled all of it and kept going this up to the top of the hair. For the curls, I'm using the GHD soft curl tong. This is the bigger of the GHD tongs and it's lovely for a looser, more brushed out curl. At the sides of the hair, I continued to alternate the crimping at the roots every other section. Whenever I got to the top part of the hair, I pin curled a few of the sections just to give it a wee bit more of a set shape. When I had finished curling the hair, I sprayed all the hair with the GHD Shine Spray and I brushed it out with the GHD paddle brush. Here I'm taking the small section at the crown and I'm backcombing with the GHD backcombing brush just to give me a wee bit more bulk and a wee bit more height. This is also great for giving you a wee bit of grip whenever you're putting in your curvy grips. When I had backcombed the top section, I clipped it up out of the way. And the bottom section here at the back, I put in a little bobble. I wasn't 100% sure whenever I started this upstyle what exactly I wanted, as it was just a play around, but I knew I wanted to have the ponytail look. So here I am taking section by section, smoothing it out, and first of all I'm hiding the bobble. I always do this in most upstyles. Most of the time it ends up being covered, but I still like to have it covered to start off with. Here I'm taking small sections from the side, and as you can see I'm trying to give them a softer look, so I spray it and pull a little bit out and I'm clipping it in. At this side here you can see better what I'm doing, so I'm taking a section and giving it a small twist. I'm not tightening it in too tight, and it's clipped in so that if I want a wee bit more volume or a wee bit more width at the side, I can pull it out. Now I'm smoothing out the top section so that they blend in better to the back of the hair. So this is the wee footery bit. So what I'm trying to do here is pin in the hair that it's secure without being fit to see the pins, and also that the ends of the hair is matching the style of the ponytail. Then we are onto the front, the side at the front. This is the part that I love, so give it a good old back comb with your wee back combing comb. Absolutely obsessed with this wee comb for doing the back comb. It just back combs it with ease, and it's super easy to actually smooth out whenever you're finished. Then giving it a wee spritz of hairspray. Now I'm bringing the pieces of hair that are left back nice and softly. So I spray them to give them a wee bit of grip, and I piece them out just to make sure that they're fitting in nice and softly with the rest of the hair. Now I'm smoothing out the top, making sure that it all flows nicely into the back. So here I'm pinning in the bits of the hair from the front that have made it to the back, and pinning it in a way that it all sits quite nice. And then I start on the right side. So the right side, we don't want it to have just as much height, but we still want it to all be uniform. Whenever you look at the upstyle, it all looks like it's supposed to be together. So here I'm pinning in any wee loose ends, getting them out of the way, and also making sure that you can't see the clips. Giving the ponytail a little back comb, and we are done. I actually love the colour of Hannah's hair here. It's fading out actually really lovely. So you can see that we have loads and loads of height, and it has a nice swoopy sort of style, nice and soft, and the ponytail is still nice and full.